Many people think that permaculture is a quirky way of gardening. But what if I told you that it's actually a lifestyle, one where nature does the heavy lifting for you? It can save you time, energy, which is really important to someone my age, and even money. The best part, you can do it anywhere, even in a tiny backyard. So let's start with the heart of permaculture, the three ethics. They are earth care, people care, and fair share.
These ideas guide every decision in permaculture. Earth care means improving the land instead of depleting it. People care means taking care of yourself, your home, and your community. And fair share means reducing waste and returning surplus to the system, whether that's compost, seeds, or extra harvest. Okay, so what does this really look like in daily life? Think of permaculture as designing your home and garden like a living ecosystem where everything supports everything else. 1. Reduce waste, increase abundance. Kitchen scraps become compost. Leaves become leaf mold, garden gold. Rainwater is captured and used to water your beds. 2. Grow like nature does. Choose perennial foods that come back year after year. Use companion planting so plants help each other instead of competing. Set up mulch systems that hold moisture and build soil. A permaculture lifestyle is less about working harder and more about working with nature patterns. One of the parts about permaculture I wish I'd known earlier is called zone planning. It's basically how you organize your space so nature and you use less effort. Zone 1, your daily use garden beds, herbs, greens, right by the door. Zone 2, fruit trees, perennials, compost piles. Zone 3 and beyond, larger plantings, orchards, wildlife habitat. This one idea alone can save you hours of garden work every week.
Before we continue, if you'd like more information on permaculture and starting your journey, just type in yes to permaculture in the comments.
A permaculture lifestyle feels calmer, more intentional. You start noticing patterns, where the sun falls, how water flows, where pollinators gather. Your garden begins to water itself. Your soil gets richer every year. Your harvests get bigger with less effort. And the best part, you start realizing you're part of the ecosystem too.
Oh yes, permaculture is a way of gardening, but it's also a lifestyle, one that makes your home more efficient, your garden more abundant, and your life more attuned to nature. Until next time, let's start growing with nature, smarter, not harder.